Okay. First and foremost is to begin by appreciating or thanking all the Kenyans for standing with me in solidarity, because I remember the day we announced it and told the Kenyans that we are under attack. It was all over, and within a short time, all Kenyans were aware of what was happening. I want first of all to condemn the incident, because from the information that we have got, remember it was on Saturday when we came to our residence where we stay. We were staying in Mombasa, and what they did, because if they are government officers, there must be a procedure of arresting an officer who is also guarded by other officers, because it can turn to be dangerous. Like maybe you're thinking that these are genuine, maybe they're not police, or it can turn into something else. So when we assumed it, then they came on that particular day, on Friday, and they decided to shoot our car. And I think that was, it could have turned into something else. It is only by the grace of God that we are alive today. And I think one thing that I just want to ask the Director of Criminal Investigation, and I mean that always communicate to your officers and give them the reason, genuine reason, why they are going to arrest that person. Because I was arrested like as if I'm a robber or I've killed someone, a murderer or something like that. But just for the propaganda or something on social media that even I'm not aware of what was written, I don't know, because I have so many accounts, people have opened in so many accounts on my behalf, so I might not be able to know who wrote what at what time. But coming and attacking me at that level, it was very much unfortunate. And this is a call to all Kenyans that we can't continue living in a country whereby it's being under the police. We have to stop this this kind of harassment from the government agencies and all that. And even in fact, when I asked those people why are they harassing me or arresting me, they were not even having, they didn't even know what they were coming to arrest me for. So I think police officers should not be used before they go to arrest anyone or to go to do any investigate. They should be given clear instruction that we are going to arrest this person because of ABCD. Because the way we were manhandled, the way it was a very bad, very much unfortunate, and no any other, and I will never wish to see any Kenyan treated the way we were treated that particular day. I want to tell the Director of Criminal Investigation that he should use his office appropriately. He should use and follow the law, because power is transient, and we know today we are being harassed. Today I should not be mishandled the way they did, because just because I've announced my presidential bid, and I want to ask President William Ruto that I can only be the best president if as I'm going to win the president of 2027. I'll be the best, because I will not harass him. It's only me who will not harass him. The rest the rest will harass him. So he should treat me well, because you see, Kenyans can know, Kenyans can feel. He can even also tell that Kenyans they have already lost the trust, the hope in him. The young people have lost hope in him. In fact, what I'm doing today, I'm doing the best thing to walk and speak to the young people, so that they should not lose hope. Because if they lose hope right now, they can even decide again to go and march to the State House and do crazy things. So what I'm telling them is that just to cool down, so that we get it and express their dissatisfaction at the ballot come 2027. So I want to ask the president that he should not take advices from other people and use the government agencies to frustrate somebody like me, because I'll be the best. I will not revenge to anyone. I will only restructure the economy and revive the economy of our country called Kenya. And I will forgive him. I will respect their families, and I will do whatever. So I want to tell them that again, 2027 is a year for the young people. We want to rebuild Kenya. We want to rebuild Kenya. We want to make Kenya great. And